Welcome to Orange Hut. If you're tired of spending more time cleaning than cooking, today's video is for you. 7 quick and easy sheet pan dinners that'll transform your weeknight meals from chaos to culinary bliss. Imagine a meal so easy. You could do it with one eye closed, but seriously, don't. These family-friendly dinners are perfect for those hectic days when you just want to throw something delicious in the oven and relax. Wait! Before we get too cozy, hit that subscribe button if you like stress-free meals with minimal cleanup. Plus, stick around. There's a secret ingredient in step 5 that'll take your dinner from good to OMG okay. Now back to the food. Step 1, gather your ingredients. Alright, let's kick things off with some simple ingredients. Think juicy chicken breast, vibrant bell peppers, zucchini, potatoes, and of course a good drizzle of olive oil. And hey, don't forget the herbs and spices. Paprika, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning are your best mates here. If your spice rack is empty, time to make a quick dash to the store, or not. You could always just wing it, but don't blame me if it's bland. Step 2, preheat and prep. Quick pop quiz. What's the perfect temperature for roasting? If you said 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you nailed it. Line your rim sheet pan with parchment paper to avoid a sticky mess. You ever wonder why it's called a sheet pan? Like, we're not baking bed sheets here, folks. Anyway, get that oven preheating and let's move on. Step 3, chop and season. Here's where you channel your inner chef. Chop your veggies and proteins into uniform sizes. Not for aesthetic reasons, but because nobody likes half-burnt, half-raw dinner, right? Drizzle with olive oil, then sprinkle on the magic. Salt, pepper, cumin, and rosemary. Fun fact. Cumin's nickname is the spice of life, at least in my kitchen. Drop a comment if you're team extra garlic or team just a pinch. Garlic lovers, I see you. Step 4, arrange the pan. Lay it all out in a single layer on your sheet pan. The golden rule, don't overcrowd the pan. It's dinner, not a veggie mosh pit. For those pro-level results, group ingredients by their cooking time. Quicker veggies with chicken, potatoes on their own side. Think of this as food feng shui. Step 5, baking time. Slide that beauty into the oven. Set your timer and don't go too far. Rotate the pan halfway through for an even roast. Here's that secret ingredient I mentioned. Give your veggies a light drizzle of honey before the final 5 minutes. Trust me, the sweetness will elevate your dinner to restaurant-worthy status. Oh, and while you're here, don't forget to smash the like button if you're loving these sheet pan tips. That simple click helps more people discover how easy dinner can be. Step 6, serve and enjoy. Let your masterpiece cool for a couple of minutes, if you can resist. Throw on some fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon and get ready to wow your family. Want to make it interactive? Serve with sides like salad, bread, or quinoa so everyone can customize their plate. In today's video, we showed you how to whip up quick and easy sheet pan dinners in just a few steps. Minimal prep, zero drama, and lots of flavor. If you love these recipes, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with anyone looking to simplify their weeknight meals. Happy cooking, and until next time, may your dinners be golden and your cleanup non-existent.